Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So, as you see, guys, the daily candle it's finished here, as you see it, and what it given us. Show you that in the previous video, but it's okay. I know some people they just came now, so let's repeat in those things what we said here. Look at it, the one and the one. What it's indicating to you guys? It's indicating a continuation candle, like how it happened here and here. And look at that green candle in the middle. It's a green candle here, and the red one is a continuation pattern. It happened even here, the one and the one. It came those green ones, then the one is continued, guys. The market fall down till here. Now what's happening here now? Look with me now here, the one, and here, that green candle in the middle. That's a continuation pattern, guys. Where is the open and the close of that candle, that green candle? Forget about the lower here. The open of it is here and the close of it is here. That red candle, the one, where is the open of it and the close of it? Let's zoom it like that to explain to you those things I'm talking about. You see the green candle, the one, the open of it is here. The close of it is here. I'm talking about the body, not the tail. The red one, the open of it is here. The close of it is down here. What that indicating to you guys? It's a big portion down, guys, happening. Yes or no? You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you now or no? But what should you do now? Because a lot of people they ask me, should we buy, should we sell? It's not the right time to buy, guys. If you are an investor, it's not the right time to buy the Bitcoin now. Why? Look with me here. What you seeing? You are in a very downtrend, guys. And another thing, look with me here. Look at my chart. What's my chart telling you? Let's zoom it like that. What's my chart telling you here? Look where you are. That white one is the long-term trend. The market couldn't stay above it. The top here, what we got? A down channel. It touched the top of it here. And now every time it give you a continuation pattern, that's when the market is going to fall down more and more. Should you buy now? Of course not. Unless if you are an investor, that's another story. Just they say you don't care what the market doing. You don't try to predict the bottom. That's another story. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what the view to the Bitcoin, guys? My view personally, I think we are going to head maybe till here, till 17k, or till down till 12k, guys. That's the levels me I got. That one, that pink one, and that one down. Because if you see that the lower of that channel, I'm talking about what touches here. The lower of it is down here. Everything is too clear, guys. And what is coming today, guys? Let's see it. What is coming here? Look with me. What you seeing, guys? What is coming here, guys? Look. What you seeing here? The FOMC press conference or the Federal Reserve of USA press conference plus, what is it here? The Fed interest rate, guys. I tell you, if they increase it by 75 points is good. But if they increase it by 100%, that means that 250 to give you here 350 is going to be very, very, very bad, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that one and what the Fed is going to say, or that Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve is going to say. When it's going to come? Look with me here. What you seeing, guys? At 6:30 GMT time or UTC, then you change it with your local time, 6:30 afternoon. And I'm going to put for you at that time of video. And when it's going to come to the interest rate at 6 o'clock. So the difference between them is 30 minutes, guys. No matter what the Fed he's going to say, he's going to move the market instantly that time. But the most important, the interest rate, guys. What the interest rate is going to tell us. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, as you see it, all the market today, it's stable. There is no move. Nothing is moving today. Everything is too clear. It's going back now to the chart to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in our chart. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what's it telling you here? Look at it. What's it telling you here? If you've been with us, I told you 3 times. That's the 3 times, guys. And what's it telling you here in that zone? The market is very, 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 very slow, guys. There is no momentum to push up or down. What I'm thinking me is going to fall down to touch here, maybe that trend line, that white one as we have. And after that, maybe it's going to make a correction or no. We don't know what's going to happen now because till the Fed interest rate decision or the FOMC or if OMC meeting, then also we're going to come to you guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. It's our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, I showed it to you before. I told you got a small divergence like that. But is it the right time for you to buy? No, guys, it's not yet. It's need that one to come to break for us that last high. That one. If it doesn't break it for us, if it doesn't break for us, that trend line here, so we are not going to enter, guys. Because here, if you bring in even like that, you got a channel, guys. Yes or no? Look at it, a small channel here. So that one, it need to fall down to touch the lower of that channel here. Down, guys, where we started from here and here. Everything is too clear, guys. And what you got here else? Look with me. You got that one and you got here a wedge like that. Yes or no? Yes, guys. Did it touch the lower of it? No. Did it break any one of those ones, the upper one or the down one? No. So should you enter now if you are an investor? Not yet. If you are a scalper and a day trader, 30-minute lower time frames, that's another story. But for long and positional traders, is not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now and what the Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. By the way, are you not yet subscriber? You watching me? No, I know you are. It's the first time of you now here. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you a video, guys. Every day 2 videos, guys, analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button now. Go now and smash the like button, guys. Smashing that like button and writing for us a comment, helping us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours, what you see in here. If you know what you see, write it down in a comment. Tell us what you see in that chart, guys. Did you write it? Before we pass, go now. Write in that comment. Tell us what you see in here in the chart. You done it? Let's continue it. Look here, guys. What did I told you here? You have here a wedge, guys. Yes or no? It's very clear wedge here. Look at it. The top of it is here and the lower of it is here. And what you got else here? Look with me. You got here that zone here. When it's being broken, it's getting broke here. How it's reacting here? It's reacting here like a resistance, guys. Look, the market fall down till here down. Then it's reacting like a resistance. And what you got down here? What you got? A very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. What that candle here is indicating? It's near to it. Now, what should you do now? Nothing, guys. Don't do nothing. Don't buy, don't sell now. Waiting the FOMC meeting or the Fed meeting, what they are going to tell us. Waiting the interest rate of USA. I repeated thousands of times and I'm going to come to you tomorrow by a new video. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So when is it the right time, we're going to update you guys. Now there is nothing yet. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, what you seeing? Look with me here. What you see in here down. Here, who is winning, guys, here? Forget about that one, that red one. Focus it with me. Only from here to here. Who is winning here? It's indicating the greens, they are winning, guys. That's what the volume telling you. Yes, it hasn't break for us that last high, but now here, the greens, they are winning. The buyers, they are winning. Why? Because it's a level, it's a very stronger level, and people, they buying from that level, guys. So what that indicating? That indicating it might, that high here, after that drop, is going to market to go up to give you another high than that one, guys. And if it happened that, what is going to happen to you here? Look with me. Here, and you are here. If that thing's me, I told you that scenario happen like that, how is going to look? A head and shoulder, guys. Where is the top of the neck, guys? It's here, guys. Yes or no? So what you need to do now, if the market came and break the top here of that trend line, that one, like that, you enter long, guys. If it done it like that, break for you here, you enter long. Now, it's not yet. It's need to confirm for you. It's breaking here. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. What it's saying here, our indicator. It touch here that wall. He fell down here. What we got there? Look here with me. What you got here? You got a stronger support in our indicator, guys. It touches here again. Now, either one of two. To break it and to fall down here to give us here a divergence, or from here to go back to that wall and to break it for us to go higher, guys. Because it's being here at the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, what it's saying, guys, here. Look at it. By the way, that our indicator, if you want to get it, there is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to that video in the description of that video. You're going to find a download link, download that indicator. And even in that video, we show you how to install it So go look at it if you want that indicator. And the only thing and my advice to you, don't change nothing in the setting of it. Leave it how it is. What you see in here, guys, you are at the oversold area and you are in a very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? Price action here. What is it? Here in the chart, what is it? The price action you got, guys. You got two price action, guys. You got the one that wage. Actually, the only one. The other one, it's not yet complete. The other one that market is need to come up or tail here. So if it's breaking for you here, you enter long, guys. If it's breaking for you here, everything is too clear, guys. But if it doesn't, don't enter. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Help us tell YouTube that a Bitcoin price prediction channel, it's existing here, helping us tell that algorithm of YouTube also we exist in here. Please smash in the like button. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember, also we told you here to sell. Now what you got here in 30 minutes, look with me here. What you got? A falling trend. And what you got here? A triangle is not right, but it's like that. You got a triangle, guys. Yes or no? Now what you need to do to wait in that one to break either up. If it's break up, you enter long, guys. If it's breaking down here, you enter short. I'm going to tell you where you're going to enter is our indicator, guys. Because if our indicator is it at the oversold area, even if it's breaking down, don't enter. It might that one just a fake breakout. You need to search in only for a breakout, guys. If it's breaking to the top, you enter long, guys. And here, guys, look with me very, very, very close here. What I told you before here. I told you here, it's trying to give you here at the a cup and handle. It's not yet confirmed, but it tried to give you here a cup and handle. If it's breaking for you, the 200 moving average is going very high, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. You are at the oversold area, guys. And you are in a stronger level, guys, here at 30 minutes. Now I'm talking here about 30 minutes. Got a price action? Yes, you got one. What is it, the price action? I just show it to you. You got here a triangle like that. Now what you need to do to wait in the break here, if you are a scalper, at the 200 moving average here, you take the profit or the last high, guys, or that indicator of us to be at the overbought area here. But who going to confirm for you is the right time to enter when it's breaking for you the top of that triangle as we show you here, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter. It might breaking down and go down more than that. Everything is too clear. But if you enter, guys, you put the stop loss of you down here. It might breaking up, then it went down. And another scenario, it might from here go till the 200 moving average. You take profit, guys. Not all the profit, and you start moving the stop loss. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.